Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syamil Hadi bin Nasaruddin. I'm from J4EM Y104E and my metric number is 2019400618. So for today I will make a video about MEM 360 with the manufacturing subject. So I will make a video about milling laboratory. So without wasting our time, let's check this video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I will explain about the table that I will fill. So I will fill the table for the number 12, which is the counter mill. So first, the part A, the machining process. So for the machining process, we will write counter mill multi-step hole. So for the cutting tool, we will use end mill, which is the type is the MEW. Then for the dissection, we will use the 60 S60 10 2T. This information we will get in the appendix table for the milling. So next, the number of insert of fluid is 2 and the size of the DC dimension is 60. Then for the LF and LH dimension, which is in the millimeter, so is for the LF is 100 and for the LH is 26. Now we move to the part C. So for the cutter material is the type of the carbide type. Then for the cutting speed, we will use 274. And the end millimeter we will get from part B, which is 16. Then for the machine max is 6000. For the cutting edge, we will get 2. For the spindle speed, we will use 5415. And for the chip load, we will use 0.28. 0.128. And lastly is the feed rate. So the feed rate we will calculate using the calculator in the website that the lecturer given. So after we fill it, we will get the for the feed rate. So in the calculator we will fill the machine max value, cutting speed value, spindle speed value, chip load. So with that information, we will get the feed rate. So the feed rate I get is 1396. So for the estimate time, we will take from the length of cut over feet. So the length of cut is 30 and the feed rate is 1996. So we will get 0.021. So lastly, we will move to the part D, which is the graphic illustration. So we will draw using pencil. So that is for the explanation for the lab 2, which is the milling the experiment. So see you in the next video. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.